So in reactivity of carbonyl compound, which group increase the reactivity? Here electron withdrawing means minus I minus Me group increase the reactivity towards the nucleophilic addition. Plus I groups plus Me groups decrease the reactivity towards nucleophilic addition. Okay. Yesterday examples are given. Now I'm taking benzaldehyde. Answer you have to tell me. Benzaldehyde, paramethyl benzaldehyde, paramethoxy benzaldehyde, paranitro-benzaldehyde, parachlorobenzaldehyde. Like these aromatic compounds are given. Now what is the reactivity towards the nucleophilic addition? Tell me, Nana. Reactivity towards the nucleophilic addition. Reactivity towards the nucleophilic addition. Answer. Anybody? First year 1, 2, 3, year 4, year 5, Nana. Here withdrawing group is the reactivity more. Donors are the reactivity less. You know CH3 is the donor. OCH3 is strong donor. NO2 withdrawing. Chlorine withdrawing. NO2 withdrawing. Chlorine withdrawing. Chlorine withdrawing. So donors and withdrawing groups are there. Then answer. Chepandra answer. Answer Nana. పంపించాలి ఎవరింతవరకు పంపలే ఆన్సర్ పంపాలి నాన్న ఆన్సర్ పంపాలి నాకు 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 వెన్నెల విజయలక్ష్మి 4 5 1 2 3 వేదమ్స్ శ్రావ్యశ్రీ 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 సాయి నవీన్ 4 5 1 2 3 వినీష్ ఎం తేజ 4 5 సాహితి 4 5 1 2 3 So withdrawing is the reactivity more, donors are the reactivity less. Okay na? So అందరు పంపించాలి ఆన్సర్స్. మీరు అందరు పంపకపోతే ఎట్టరా? కొంతమంది పంపించి మిగతా వాళ్ళు పంపకపోతే ఇబ్బంది కదా. మీరు ఎలా నువ్వు వస్తుంది గారా గోంద్ర వచ్చిందిగా. Students, you are getting answer. Voice is coming or not? Okay. Now reactivity 4 5 1 2 3. So like that here reactivity also we can write. Next one here aldehyde is given, ketone is given. One is aldehyde, one is ketone. What is your answer? One is aldehyde, one is ketone. What is your answer? Cheppandi. Aldehyde, ketone. Here in aldehyde, here plus, here ketone 2 plus. Both are plus I. Number of plus I's are there. What happened, Nana? Reactivity less kada. 1 plus unte less. 2 and inka less. That's why, which is more reactive? Generally, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Generally, aldehydes are more reactive than ketone, Nana. Aldehydes only more reactive. Aldehydes only more reactive. Ra. Ketones are less reactive. Okay. Now example, ketones like this butanone, which carbonyl compound is more reactive? Which carbonyl compound is more reactive, Nana? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer. Chepali. Withdrawing your answer, reactivity order. Which one? 2 is more reactive than 4. 4 is more reactive than 3. 3 is more reactive than 1. Based on withdrawing donor, we can write down answer. Here keto group. Here NO2 group. Here NO2 group. Here NO2 group, Nana. Then what is our answer? Cheppandi. Keto. So this is alpha carbon, here alpha nitro, beta nitro, here gamma nitro. Among these, which is more reactive? Reactivity. Cheppandi. Alpha more reactive than beta. Beta more reactive than gamma. Gamma more reactive than normal ketone. Here NO2 near to keto, withdrawing nature more. NO2 near to keto, withdrawing nature more. That's why here reactivity more for alpha, then beta, then gamma. Okay. Now here 2-butanone, cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone actually chair form, Nana, like this. Open chain ketone cyclic. ఇక్కడ cyclic compound ring వల్ల strain అవుతాయి. Due to ring strain is there. Ring strain వల్ల more reactive. That's why here cyclic compounds are more reactive than open chain ketone. Cyclic ketones are more reactive than open chain ketone. Cyclic ketones are more than open chain ketone. Okay. Now answer, ring strain, answer. Open chain ring is more important than ketone. Next example here. acetophenone, here para-nitroacetophenone, para-methylacetophenone, here para-methoxyacetophenone, next para-bromoacetophenone, Nana. Now which is more reactive? Again reactivity order, Nana. Withdrawing is the reactivity, donors are the reactivity important. Here reactivity order, Nana, answer. Here 4 is a more reactive than 5, than 1, than 2, than 3. Like this here, carbonyl compounds are given, check. Carbonyl compounds are there, you check, Nana. Withdrawings are there, donors are there. Based on that, which is more reactive, which is less reactive, easily we can explain, Nana. Okay, na? So here that is about reactivity of carbonyl compound. That is about reactivity. Now first reaction, addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. HCN, addition of HCN, Nana. Here aldehydes are given, carefully observe. HCN by base, HCN by base. Here bond cleavage, or here ఇక్కడ ఎవరు O మైనస్ C ప్లస్ కదా, ఈ C ప్లస్ కి ఎవరు అటాక్ అవుతారు? Cn మైనస్ న్యూక్లియోఫైల్. Then what about the H? This H is added to what? O. Therefore our answer here, now Cn added here, Cn here H. Here like this OHCN present, this is called as a cyanohydrin, Nana. Name remember, Chalsala question, IIT question, JEE Mains NEET important, old entrance question. Cyanohydrin name, OHCN is there, the name of the compound is cyanohydrin. If chiral center is there, what happened? Racemic mixture. Chiral center is there, racemic mixture. Okay, remember HCN added, the main product is a cyanohydrin. Whenever HCN added, the main product cyanohydrin, then here hydrolysis is given, Nana. Hydrolysis anywhere C triple bond is there, that is converted to acid plus ammonia. C triple bond and acid plus ammonia. Therefore here also Cn is there, that is converted to acid. There our answer R here, OH H here, COOH. Chiral center ఏం ఫామ్ అయింది? ఆప్టికల్లీ యాక్టివ్ యాసిడ్. నీకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఆప్టికల్లీ యాక్టివ్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ మెయిన్ త్రూ సైనోహైడ్రిన్. That is the main through cyanohydrin, Nana. If you want prepare optically active acid, these are very important in our daily life. Drugs or vitamins, enzymes, carbohydrate. Your optical isomers are very important. Optical isomers are very, very important. Okay, na? That's why optical isomer, chiral center is there. Optical isomers are the chiral center is there, optical isomer. Okay, like this optical. Now example I am taking here, Here acetaldehyde plus HCN is given. What is your answer? In this case, what happened? Carbon oxygen bond undergoes cleavage, Nana. Now here whatever CN is there, the CN attacks to C plus nucleophilic addition. Whatever H is there, H added to what? Here O. Therefore our answer CH3, C here OH, CN here H Nana. ఇది chiral center అంటే reciproc mixture. ప్లస్ మైనస్, ప్లస్ అంటే డెక్స్ట్రా రొటేటరీ కాంపౌండ్, మైనస్ అంటే లీవో రొటేషన్, డెక్స్ట్రో రొటేషన్, లీవో రొటేషన్ నానా. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్? హైడ్రోలైసిస్. నౌ హైడ్రోలైసిస్ CN becomes COOH, దెన్ CH3, CH ఇదెవరు? OH, ఇక్కడ ఎవరు? COH. సో నానా దీని పేరేం పేరు? లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ present in milk. Lactic acid is very important. So lactic acid is prepared from acetaldehyde. Remember, lactic acid, so many neat question here. Optically active acid nana, optically active chiral center is there. Ikkada clear ga observe cheyali. Lactic acid, okay na? Now whenever benzaldehyde is there, now HCN answer nana, benzaldehyde. Here this bond undergoes cleavage, then HCN added. Now tell me answer. C here OH, H here CN, cyanohydrin. After that here hydrolysis. What happened? Here CN group converted to COOH nana. CN is there, CN is converted to COOH. Then what is our answer? C here, CH here, OH, COOH. This is also optically active. In place of methyl here, what is their pH? Benzene ring is there. This is called as a cinnamic acid. This is called as cinnamic acid. Cinnamic nana, cinnamic acid. Both are optically active. Remember, above one, below one, both are optically. మీకు ఆప్టికల్ యాక్టివ్ యాసిడ్ కావాలి అన్నప్పుడు, ఆప్టికల్ యాక్టివ్ యాసిడ్ కావాలి అన్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఇస్ అవర్ ఆన్సర్? ఏమైంది? ఆయన ఎందుకు కూర్చోబెట్టింది? ఎందుకు? ఇది హాట్ వాటర్ ఏమో, సిన్నమిక్ యాసిడ్. Okay. Now similar way ketones are given. For ketone also we can add HCN nana. So addition of HCN I am taking. Answer cheppandi. Here bond cleavage, here CN is there, CN added here. Nucleophilic addition. Then see here R group, O become OH nana. Here CN added, here H. This is also called as what? Cyanohydrin. Here HCN added, then the product is cyanohydrin. HCN added, cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. After that also you can write hydrolysis. CN become COOH. CN becomes COOH. Here this is OH. Here also hydroxycarboxylic acid. Like this, whenever HCN is added, what is the product? Cyanohydrin is the product. What is the product? Cyanohydrin is the product, Nana. Okay, na? Like this HCN we can add. First we are doing addition of HCN. Remember, names gurtupetukovala. Cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. OHCN is their name, cyanohydrin. Next one, here, addition of sodium bisulfite. Addition of sodium bisulfite, Nana. Ikkada, here H plus is the electrophilic center. H plus is the electrophilic center. Sulfur is the nucleophilic center. Sulfur is the nucleophilic center. Now, here aldehyde plus sodium bisulfite, NaHSO3. Here this bond undergoes cleavage. Sulfur attacks to carbon. Sulfur attacks to carbon. This hydrogen attacks to oxygen, Nana. చాలా మంది ఏమనుకుంటారంటే Na ప్లస్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు, తప్పది. Na ప్లస్ కాదు, H ప్లస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Na ప్లస్ కాదు, H. So now our answer, here R, here OH, here hydrogen, here SO3Na. So this is a white crystal solid. White crystal solid, Nana. Actually, our aldehyde is a liquid. Aldehyde is liquid. Aldehyde is liquid. Aldehyde is liquid. Sodium bisulfite added, then you are getting white color solid. The liquid to physical change is there. Here, liquid state converted to what here? Solid state. Whenever physical state is changed, that is used as qualitative test. Remember, this is very important. Whenever aldehyde and acid both are there in the same solution. Acid is liquid, aldehyde liquid, both are liquid, both are present in the solution. Then how we will separate? How we will separate? Simply by adding sodium bisulfite, Nana. Very important. Sodium bisulfite is given. Here aldehyde is converted to what here? This is white crystal solid, but here carboxylic acid remains in a liquid solution. Whenever liquid and solid is there, we can separate by what? Filtration. ఇంటికాడ మనము టీ ఓడ చేస్తాం కదా, టీని, టీ పౌడర్ ని, దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? ఫిల్టరేషన్. టీ పౌడర్ సాలిడ్, టీ అనేది లిక్విడ్ కదా. లిక్విడ్ సాలిడ్ సపరేట్ చేయడానికి ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? ఫిల్టరేషన్ మెథడ్. ఇక్కడ కూడా bisulfite is there solid, acid is there liquid. Then solid and liquid is there. Solid and liquid is there. Solid and liquid is there. Then our answer, solid. Here solid liquid we can separate by sulfur separation technique by filtration. So this is very important reaction. Aldehydes are separated from acid. Aldehydes are separated from acid. విజయ్ ఆయనకి ఇచ్చి పంపి ఆ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నాను వచ్చింది వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ కాదు వాళ్ళ ఆఫీస్ చూడని చెప్పి పంపి పంపి పుస్తకాలు ఇచ్చి పంపి ఎక్కడో పోకెళ్ళాక పండుకొని ఓకేనా సాలిడ్ లిక్విడ్. Now similar way ketone, particularly alpha methyl ketone, alpha methyl ketone important, alpha methyl ketone. Now not all not all ketones, not all ketones, alpha methyl ketones only, Nana. Remaining ketones no. Due to bulky nature, these are not involved. Only alpha methyl ketone, alpha methyl ketone. Same here, alpha methyl ketone reaction with sodium bisulfite. Then what is our answer here? Here bond cleavage. Then here the sulfur attacks here. Then our answer, tell me Nana. Here R, then what? CH3, O become OH. Here what is the group? SO3Na. This is also white crystalline solid. And here this is very important. Alpha methyl ketones are identified from other ketone. Alpha methyl ketones are identified from other ketones. Okay, alpha methyl ketones are identified from other ketone. Okay na? This is very important. Sodium bisulfite, aldehyde kaite white crystal solid, ketone aina white. Ketone anni ketones kavu, alpha methyl ketone. All ketones kavu ikkada, alpha methyl ketones are there. Alpha methyl ketones are there. Okay na? Next, that is addition of sodium bisulfite. HCN oka reaction undi. HCN oka reaction, sodium bisulfite other reaction. Next one, addition of water, Nana. Addition of water. Addition of water. The addition of water lo first one, for aldehyde we are adding water in presence of acid. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. హియర్ డబుల్ బాండ్ ఓ క్లీవేజ్, O minus C plus నానా. వాటర్ లో ఎవరు ఉంటారు? H plus OH. Now this OH added to C plus. Answer RC. Here hydrogen, here O. For this here H is added, here OH. రెండు OH ఒకే కార్బన్ పది ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమన్నాం? జెమినల్ డయోల్. రెండు OHలు ఒకే కార్బన్ మీద ఉంటే జెమినల్ డయోల్. బట్ మీకు చెప్పాను జెమినల్ డయోల్స్ ఆర్ అన్స్టేబుల్. Geminal diols are unstable. Kada. That's why immediately what happened here? Again water removal. Water removal, again what is our answer? Aldehyde. That's why geminal diols are unstable nana. అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా అన్ని కేసులో వాటర్ యాడ్ చేయం. చేసినా మళ్ళీ వెంటనే బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది. చేసినా మళ్ళీ వెంటనే బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది నానా. జెమినల్ డయోల్. ఓకేనా? మరి ఎప్పుడు ఇది స్టేబుల్ అవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు అన్ని కేసుల స్టేబుల్ కాదు, గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. కొన్ని కేసుల స్టేబుల్. రేపు ఎగ్జామ్లు అడుగుతారు ఎక్కడ స్టేబుల్ హైడ్రేట్. వాటర్ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చేదాన్ని ఏమంటాం? హైడ్రేట్. దీన్ని ఏమనాలి? హైడ్రేట్. హైడ్రేట్. వాటర్ యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత వచ్చేది హైడ్రేట్, దాన్నే డయోల్. బట్ అది అన్స్టేబుల్. కానీ కొన్ని స్పెషల్ కేసులలో స్టెబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, మరి ఏ కేసులో? నౌ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ క్లోరాల్. క్లోరాల్ హైడ్రేట్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, వాటర్ యాడ్ అయితే వచ్చేదాన్ని హైడ్రేట్ అంటాం, కానీ అది స్టేబుల్ కాదు, రివర్సబుల్. నౌ ఇయర్ వాటర్ యాడ్ చేయండి. క్లోరాల్. Trichloroacetaldehyde is called as chloral. Trichloroacetaldehyde is called as chloral, nana. Then what is our answer? Here bond cleavage. Then our answer next year C. Cl, here Cl, C. Then here O. Here H. Next here H forms, here OH is there. Now tell me what happened? In between chlorine and OH hydrogen bond. In between chlorine and hydrogen bond. So ఎప్పుడైతే హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్ ఫామ్ అయిందో అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయిన కాంపౌండ్ ఎవరు? స్టేబుల్. నౌ క్లోరాల్ హైడ్రేట్ is stable నానా. క్లోరాల్ హైడ్రేట్ is stable. వాటర్ యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత వచ్చే వాటిని హైడ్రేట్ అంటాం, కానీ అన్ని స్టేబుల్ కాదు. Chloral hydrate is stable. Chloral hydrate is stable ra. Next answer. Now hexafluoroacetone. For this also we can add water, nana. Water is added, we'll get stable hydrate or not, we'll check. Rep exam lo adigedi water add ayin tarvata vachedani hydrate antam. The hydrate is stable or less stable question. So once again here addition, bond undergoes cleavage, nana. Here OH attacks to carbon. Okay na? Now answer C. Here fluorine. Here hexafluoroacetone the fluorine. Here O become what? OH. Here O. Here fluorine. Fluorine, nana. Here we are adding OH. Here we are adding H. This is also hydrate, gem diol. What happened in between OH and F? Here hydrogen bond. Here also hydrogen bond. That's why here hexafluoroacetone also stable. Hexafluoroacetone also stable. Hexafluoroacetone stable. Hexafluoroacetone is stable, nana. Okay na? Hexafluoroacetone is stable. Okay. Similar way, glyoxal. Glyoxal. Here addition of water in acid medium, nana. దీన్ని ఏమన్నాంరా? మొన్ననే చెప్పాను, ఓజోనాలిసిస్ గ్లయాక్సాల్ అని. గ్లయాక్సాల్ నానా, గ్లయాక్సాల్. Here also bond cleavage, nucleophilic addition only. O minus C plus, nana. O minus C plus. There here Here H is there, C, here O, C double bond H, Nana, tell me answer. Here H is added, here OH is there, but after this in between, here H and O hydrogen bond, that's why this is also stable hydrate. Stable hydrate. Stable hydrate, Nana. Stable hydrate. ఓకేనా, స్టేబుల్ హైడ్రేట్ రా. ఇలా మనకి వాటర్ యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత స్టేబుల్ కాదు అడుగుతారు. మామూలుగా అయితే జెమ్ డయోల్ వస్తే జెమ్ డయోల్ ఇస్ అన్స్టేబుల్ నానా. నౌ ట్రై కీటోన్. So double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, Nana, your aromatic ring. This is called as a triketone. Triketone ra. Here also we are adding water in acid medium. In acid medium. చెప్పండి. మిడిల్ కీటోన్ ఇస్ మోర్ రియాక్టివ్ నానా, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ సైడ్ withdrawing, this side withdrawing, that's why middle ketone is reactive. They will ask question. Now middle ketone is reactive, then we are adding water. Double bond O is there, Nana. See, here added, then we'll get here OH, here we'll get OH. But after this, what happened? Here hydrogen bond, here hydrogen bond. దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే నిన్హైడ్రిన్. టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ప్రోటీన్, నిన్హైడ్రిన్, ఇది కూడా స్టేబులే. ఇలా మీకు ఎక్కడైతే వాటర్ యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత స్టెబిలిటీ వస్తుందో, వాటర్ యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏమైనా స్టెబిలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తే దెన్ దట్ జెమ్ డయోల్ or hydrate is called as stable one. Hydrate is stable. So first we are doing addition of HCN, second we are doing addition of sodium bisulfate. Nana, next one addition of water. Addition of water kada. చెప్పండి. Addition of water. Okay, addition of water ra. Over. So that is about addition of water. Next one, addition of alcohol. Addition of alcohol, Nana. Alcohol add cheste ela. Now first I am taking here aldehyde. Then we are adding alcohol in acid medium. Alcohol, any alcohol you can take. Now answer, tell me, Nana. Once again, here 5 bond undergoes cleavage. All are similar, same pattern. Simply C double bond O cleavage, that's all. In all cases, same method. Just to identify the cleavage. After that, what is the electrophile, what is the nucleophile, you have to identify. Okay, na? Then here, what is the nucleophile, Nana? OR. Then OR added at where? C plus. Now tell me answer. Here R group C. Here O. Here H. Then we are adding what here? here OR, here H nana. ఒకే కార్బన్ పైన OH ఇది ఉంటే ఏమన్నా మనం జెమినల్ హైడ్రాక్సీ ఈథర్. This is called as hemiacetal nana. Name important. Hemiacetal. ఒకే కార్బన్ పైన OH ఈథర్ రెండు ఉండాలి. So this is a OH group, this is ether group present on same carbon. అలా OH ఈథర్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమనాలి జెమినల్ హైడ్రాక్సీ ఈథర్ is called hemiacetal. This already old entrance question. Example is given. They have given which is a hemiacetal. Which is hemiacetal means you have to identify hydroxy ether anywhere, any R hydroxy ether is there, that is called as hemiacetal nana. But again one more alcohol is added here, H plus nana. One more alcohol is added. Immediately this H plus and here H plus and O removes as water. Now immediately whatever OR is there, that OR attacks here. Removal of water removal. Okay na? Here OH completely removed nana, OH completely removed. Then our answer here R group here OR. This is also OR. Here H is there. This is what here geminal diether. Geminal diether is called as acetal. Name is very important nana. Geminal hydroxy ether is called as hemiacetal. Geminal hydroxy ether is there, hemiacetal. Geminal diether is called as acetal. Remember acetal. Wherever you want protect the aldehyde or keto group, just to convert into acetal nana. Why? If you are acetal, again remember, if your acetal is there, acetal subjected to hydrolysis, again you will get aldehyde and alcohol. We are adding 2 moles of alcohol. We are adding 2 moles of alcohol converted to acetal nana. Again acetal and hydrolysis. Acetal and hydrolysis converted to aldehyde and alcohol. So means first aldehyde easily converted to hemiacetal, again converted to aldehyde. Wherever you want to regenerate aldehyde, simply you hydrolysis. Okay, now we'll do hydrolysis. That's all. That's why here wherever you want protect the aldehyde, that is converted acetal. Acetal nana. Acetal. Okay, na? Now similar way 2 moles I am adding. Instead of 2 mole, I will add glycol. Carefully observe. Instead of 2 moles of alcohol, I am adding glycol nana. Then what happened? Same. Here OR, here OR. OR. Same here also O attacks here. Then our product formation R here H. Okay. Now here O CH to glycol. CH to O nana. You see here above. This is OR, here OR nana. Check. Similar way here also what happened here? Bond formation. Here OR, here OR. But cyclic. Carefully observe. This is also called as ether group. Here also ether. Both are present on same. This is called as what? Cyclic acetal nana. Cyclic acetal. Wherever you want protect the aldehyde or ketone, you convert to acetal or ketol. Here aldehyde is there, that is called acetal nana. Aldehyde is there acetal. If acetal subjected to hydrolysis, again will regenerate aldehyde and glycol. Acetal is there, cyclic acetal is there. If hydrolysis is given, again product glycol and acetaldehyde. Glycol and acetaldehyde. Okay. same product you are getting. So that's why main aim, alcohol addition, we are getting hemiestol, estol. The main formation of estol is protection of carbonyl group. Protection, wherever you want protect the aldehyde, wherever you want protect the ketone, then we are applying alcohol system, Nana. Name is very important. Hemiestol, estol. Names are very important here. HCN is added. Cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Alcohol is added. Hemiestol, acetal.